Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about how to get a perfect score on our wall test. So this is our electrical wall test. We talk about how to wire GFIs, how to wire GFIs down line, switches, and three-way switches. So really pretty simple stuff, but we're trying to bring our young guys up to old guys. So we want to make sure everybody's got this down. So real easy right off the bat. The first thing you're going to need is a plug tester. I'm a big fan of this particular plug tester that has a screen, tells you 120 volts, if it's 120 volts or any other problems. And then it actually tells you, whether it's been wired properly on the screen is correct, which is real nice. You don't have to look. So if anything's backwards or anything else, it just says it on the screen. You don't have to read the lights or the code that's on a lot of these. Plus it has the test button for the GFI. So our system here has a service disconnect here as an unplug. You unplug it when you're not using it and put our lockout tagout tag on here so it can't be plugged in while you guys are working on the wall. So that's been plugged in, which gives power to the wall through the GFI here. Everything's through the GFI. We're going to go ahead and plug in our tester. It's going to give us 120 volts and correct wired and a green light for good. It usually will show the red light when it's not. So we're going to go ahead and test this GFI here. We're going to press the test button and hold it. Whoops, as I screw that up and hold down the wrong button. Gotta get thicker glasses. I'm gonna hit the test button this time and it trips. And you see that it instantly goes out and tells us how fast it trips to make sure we can test that GFI and it's within parameters. Now we're gonna go ahead and reset that guy. And then we're gonna come over here to our switched outlet. Now switched outlets, you'll see these a lot of times in bedrooms where they have a light, maybe a light lamp on your bedroom wall. And then we're going to go ahead and test this guy here. This one's going to be upside down, so it's going to be a little harder. We're going to go ahead and flip it upside down. And we're going to hit our test button. And it trips over there, which is what it should be doing. So we're going to go ahead and reset our tester here. It's going to reset itself and show us that we have a green light. We're good to go. So that's the first part of the test. Were you able to wire a GFI properly so it tripped where it's at? And did we wire it properly so it tripped when it was at its second plug here? First part done. Then we're going to come in here and flip on our light. This light should turn off or turn on in the up position and turn off in the down position, and the light should turn on. So pretty simple there, right? Then we have our three-way switches. So it should turn on and turn off all at the first switch. Turn it on, and again it should turn it off and on at the three-way switch, and the light should come on for all of those. These little bins here are for putting all the parts in when this is all out and putting it all back together. And then we have our switched out or switch plug here. So it should be upside down like the industry standard is, and that we actually have the light plugged in here. So you'll see this a lot of times, that's why I leave them upside down. So the switched one should be the top one, and when we flip on the light, it should turn on our lamp here, or a representative lamp, and then turn it off. And it should be facing, the switch should be down when it's in the opposition, and up when it's on the on position. Okay, so this is how it should look, guys, for what you are doing at the end. So it's real simple, guys. Just get these all down. Please watch the video that goes in conjunction with this that shows you how to wire each one of these items. So as always, guys, remember these are for review purposes only. We are not liable for anything you do using any of this information. And like and subscribe really does help us out. And tell your friends. We're here to help you guys out where we can and help you guys review on the things you're seeing every day. Have a great day.